Welcome to Hearty Home Cooking. Today we're going to make tuna and sweetcorn pasta bake. For this you will need 300 grams of pasta, 300 grams of tinned tuna, 200 grams of sweetcorn, 100 grams of grated cheese, 600 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. First of all, cook your pasta according to the instructions on the packet and drain. Add your sweetcorn, followed by your tuna. Give the mixture a good stir. Now, pour it into an oven-proof dish and set aside. Grab yourself a small milk pan and place over a low heat. Add your flour. Now add a small amount of milk and mix to form a paste. Gradually add the rest of your milk while stirring continuously. Once you've added all your milk, place in your butter. Stir this in until it's all melted. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard and finally add your salt and pepper. Stir these in well and turn up your pan to a medium heat so you start to bring the sauce to the boil. Remember to stir continuously throughout. After a couple of minutes, your sauce should have thickened. So now add half of your grated cheese. Give it a final good stir round, and once your cheese is melted, your sauce is ready. Now it's time to pour your sauce over your pasta. Sprinkle the remainder of your grated cheese over the top of your pasta. Now place it in the oven on 190 for 25 to 30 minutes. Serve and enjoy!